I'm Tony, your Pop-Pop's Workshop. But today we're going to talk about my first venture into OPE, or outdoor power equipment. A family member was kind enough to take pity on me so I don't have to shovel snow anymore and risk more heart problems than I already have. So they got me this nice electric Ego. Let me check, just so I get this right, I'm going to look at the owner's manual. Is model number SNT 2100. So this is the smaller model, 21 inch, 35 inch throwing distance. I'm sure that's optimum results, and doesn't matter to me. It's a nice snow blower. You've got can clear a 10-car driveway with 8 inches of snow is what they say on there. So pretty straightforward. When I got it, it came in a box. The handle was folded down. The chute was off, but they provide a nice Allen wrench, 2 screws. I can put on the chute and we're ready to go. The one thing I did do is immediately open the box, get the charger. Comes with a nice charger and 2 batteries. So I got both the batteries and took them inside. And what I noticed is, of course, this time of year it was very cold when it got here, and I put the battery on the charger right away, and it was flashing red, which says either the charger or the battery is defective. And I thought, I got problems. But what I did is let them warm up, get them to room temperature, then charge the batteries, no problem. But that's a reminder to me that when I'm done using this today, I need to take the batteries out and take it back inside. As long as you keep the batteries warm, you'll get optimal performance. But if it's left out in the cold, you're going to lose power. It's not going to work at all. So that's just a little tip, guys. Make sure you're bringing the batteries inside each time, or storing them in a well-heated space. So easy to operate. You've got a lever up here that will, as you're moving, will rotate the chute. If you have to adjust the direction of the tip of the chute, you got a little handle to squeeze, and you can just tip it back any old way you need. There's a speed control up here, so you can go full throttle or partial throttle. Of course, the lower you can run the throttle, the longer the batteries will last. And the safety feature, of course, is you have to pull the handle back and then depress this button to get it to power up. So that's a quick run through. I'm really looking forward to trying the Ego line out. I've seen a lot of great reviews about it. This works well. Then, of course, next steps, lawnmower, chainsaw, all the great things that go in the Ego line. So we're going to do some videos today. We got some snow last night, about 4 to 6 inches. And we're going to give her a run in the driveway and the sidewalks and see how she does. Again, thanks, guys. And remember, you can do this.